A dedication from Dyron. Today is that day. Today is that day. Pause for a second, taking a deep breath. Let it out. Today, I need you to take in the simple moments. As I'm celebrating my birthday, I'm being reminded to celebrate being present. God said my story is not over yet. So I want to share that energy with you and encourage you to smile bigger. Choose gratitude, kindness, and curiosity. When you hear a beat, dance to it. Small victory, celebrate it. See a stranger, smile. And honor your imperfections as part of your story. Each moment is a gift. Each moment is a chance to start anew, to love louder, to give more, to dream bigger. So if you have a second to entertain me, smile right now. A little bigger. There. Live with bold appreciation for every heartbeat. Now get this hug.